Okay, good afternoon. Continuing with our course on differential equations. So, before midterms, igo lagi ta na human sa applications of first order DEs, di ba? So, today, and until mahuman ta sa semester, we'd be dealing with higher order. Okay, higher order ODEs, or more specifically, higher order or nth order linear ODEs. So, marag i-restrict gid nato atong discussion mainly on or only on linear ODEs. Okay. So anong linear ODEs man? Because linear differential equations are those which are commonly occurring yet in our, not only in the field of engineering but also in nature. Even gani katong mga almost all of the examples on applications na atong na-encounter are all linear in nature. So I don't know if you noticed, but yes, linear differential equations are more commonly occurring not only in engineering but also in nature. Okay. So how do we know if one differential equation is linear no matter the order? Okay. So paano kaya ito mabalaan, or how do we know or how do we determine what is the order of a differential equation? Asa kaya nato tanawan gani? I'd like to tell the class. Naka-remember. No? So, hint, first order man to tanan so far ang atong na-encounter. Diba? So, how do we know if higher order siya, or generally, paano natin mabalaan kung unsa siya ng order na type of differential equation? Sige. Kani ka general equation ni sa nth order, pero asa ani tan-awon kung unsa siya ng order? Kung may answer, pwede na nyo i-type sa chat or pwede nyo open yung mic. Anyone?
Degree to, sir, no? I order.
Yes, order.
Kanang kan, for example, y prime. So, ang iyahang order kay first order.
Okay, so kung y prime lang ning na differential equation, example kanino, ing ani,
Yes, sir.
this is a first order. No? Actually, mo ni itsura sa, thank you no, Azalea. Actually, mo ni itsura, di ba, sa atong linear, first order nga linear ODE. Ato na discuss in length before ta nag-midterm, no? Yani. So, tanaw na to ang highest, ang order sa highest order sa derivative, no? Highest order derivative sa atong differential equation. So kung kani ingani nga form, so this is a first order ODE kay y prime naman. So that's correct. Kung ingani, specifically kani gid ako lang tabunan ng other parts. This is a second order because ang highest order differential or highest order derivative is double prime, no? So second order. So tanawon nato kung unsang order sa or unsa nga unsa ang highest order derivative sa differential equation. That's how we know kung unsa siya nga order. Now, we will also know if linear siya. Again, generally, if mo fit siya yung ani nga form or equation, but sa first look pa lang, mabala naman nato kung linear siya. But generally speaking, we know it's linear if ang degree sa atong differential equation, so lahi ang order, lahi ang degree, okay? We know nga linear siya if, for the first place, ang degree sa atong derivative or all the derivative of y is only 1, no? So, ibutang lang ako ni dire. The degree will always be equal to 1, no matter how much the order is. So, first degree good per me ang linear na ODE. So, you'd notice, this is y prime, no? So, di siya pwede y prime squared, y prime to the power of 5, so on and so forth. No? So ang degree sa tanan nga derivative or differential should be 1 for it to be linear. Okay? And no coefficient. Okay? So kani nga mga components, the b of x's, b sub n of x, b sub n of 1 of x, b sub 2, b sub 1, and b sub 0. All of these should be in terms of x only. So walay coefficient na mag in terms of y. So any of those criteria na ma-violate, dili na siya linear. And out of scope na siya sa atong discussion. Okay? Mag-focus lang ta sa linear ODEs. And dako kay nga time ato i-consume for second order ODEs lang gani, no? So di na kayo focus sa third order and above. Although maka-encounter ta from time to time, third order, fourth order, but dako kay nga bulk sa atong duration sa remaining time sa second semester is mag-focus sa second order. Okay? Now, so muna siya, no? Again, all the coefficients, bn of x, so on so forth, no? Taman b sub 0 of x, all of it, all the coefficients, including atong g of x, no? Ang equation nato sa right-hand side, all of it should be functions of x alone. Okay? All of these, kana sila, ito kung dire. Kani sila, all of these should be functions of x alone. Okay? Ang function sa right-hand side sa equation and all coefficients should be functions of x alone for it to be linear. Now, dividing everything by the coefficient of the highest order derivative, in this case, bn of x, dividing everything by bn of x, including the right-hand side, reduces our differential equation to this one. Can you see? And ato ning gina-denote as a linear ODE or L of y. Because it's only in terms of y, no? Wala in terms of x manuning mga coefficient. So because it's a linear function of y, ato siyang i-denote as L of y. Okay? Where a n of 1, a sub n minus 1 of x is equal to this one, no? b sub n minus 1 of x divided by bn of x. So on, so forth. No? Meaning each of these each of these coefficients dito sa taas are all divided by b sub n of x, including g of x. So you could also say our L of y is equal to g of x divided by b sub n of x. Okay? And ato ni siyang kaninga particular expression is atong gina-denote as phi, Greek letter phi of x. Sa uban nga commentators kay phi man eh. Pwede na pod phi, pwede na pod phi. So phi is this one. G of x divided by b sub n of x. Kana kung ang given is this one. But fortunate for us, most of the time, ang notation sa given nga equation is usually nakaingani na. So this would be equal to phi of x na diretso. So ato lang ning tan-awon, ang first nato na i-notice if na coefficient ang atong highest order derivative. If wala, most probably na siya sa ingani nga form. So we have two types of linear ODEs in this case, and I think na-encounter na natin before. Sa first order ODE, our phi of x is our r of x. If kadumdum mo before, di ba, ang atong right-hand side sa equation is r of x. So, dire is phi of x. So, natay duha ka types of linear ODEs. If our phi of x is not equal to 0, meaning it's an actual function in terms of x, unsa siya nga klase nga differential, unsa siya nga klase nga linear differential equation sa naka-remember? Would like to tell me or tell the class. You have two types of linear equations. When our right-hand side of the equation, in this case phi of x, is either equal to 0 or not. Unsa na yung klase nga differential nga linear DE ug kani?
Homogeneous o
Non-homogeneous, sir.
Okay, so thank you sa nag-respond. It's either non-homogeneous or homogeneous. Very good. So ang dili equal to 0, meaning if ang atong phi of x is an actual function, so it is a non-homogeneous. Okay. And if equal to 0, mo ni nga mga types ang atong ganahan ni pangitaon sa equation or sa given nga DE, mo ni mga homogeneous equation. Homogeneous. Okay. So, now, kanito na lang isulat na tanan gyapon dito sa kuana sa slide. Now, there would be also times if ang atong mga coefficient, in this case, kaning mga a of x functions, no, kani sila nga mga function, if they are just plain numbers or constants, we call this equation as linear ODE that has constant coefficient. If not, those are ODEs with variable coefficients. And natin mga different types of methods pag-solve for both constant coefficients and variable coefficients. So, natay linear DE, it could be homogeneous or non-homogeneous, equated to a function of x called phi. Now, unsa itsura sa iyahang solution, no? The general solution of a linear differential equation. The solutions of linear ODEs is very interesting because it's always in this form, maskin pag first order, no? If nakadumdum mo, the solution of an ODE would always be like this, no? Phi of x solution. Y of x is equal to an arbitrary constant multiplied by a function of x. And sums of it, no? C2, C sub 2 times y sub 2 of x plus so on and so forth, C sub n, y of n, x. And the number of solutions would depend on the order of our differential equation. So each of these is what we call a linear solution, no? And isa sa atong i-determine if they are linearly independent, no? So each of these, where C1, C2, until C of n, these are constants. And each of these represent solutions, no? Y sub 1, Y sub 2, up to Y sub n. Now, one question nga itong gusto i-ask is if they are linearly independent, no? Okay, linearly independent. Meaning, when we say linearly independent, example, ang atong final answer or final solution would be in this form. This is a linearly independent na set of solutions if each and every one could satisfy the differential equation, no? Meaning, pwede nga si C1, C sub 1, Y sub 1 of x lang ang solution. Okay? Then, wala ni sila. Okay? pwede nga kana lang siya. Or si C2y sub 2 of x lang. Or all of their linear combinations. So they are linearly independent if each of them are individual solutions to our given differential equation. No? So that's an interesting case because we'd like our linear ODE to have linearly independent solutions. So how do we determine if linearly independent ang atong differential equation? Okay. So again, we would like our ODEs to have solutions that are linearly independent. Gusto na to. So linearly independent siya if we could solve for the Wronskian, okay? It's a particular value or expression. Wronskian. Okay. Wronskian. It's a process nga i-undergo sa each of these solutions. Denoted by the letter W. If the Wronskian is not equal to 0, then it is linearly independent. So we would like our Wronskian to be not equal to 0. So how do we perform the Wronskian? Okay. Of course, later, mas maklaro man ni later na kung na example. So don't get intimidated lang sa atong gamiton ng notation. No? Could be confusing, pero sayon na niya siya. No? Ang notation lang manggod kay maggamit mo tag general terms basta set og general na concept. No? So the Wronskian is equal to finding the determinant of an n by n matrix. Okay. So naka-perform na ba mo before saan pag-find of determinant? Have you encountered it sa previous mathematics? Have you heard of the term? Kanang a term? Dili ang Wronskian ha, determinant, finding the determinant.
Ayaw sa 86, sir.
Math 86. Differential calculus. Determinant, no? Sige, thank you. If
values siya, ano, sir?
the determinant sa matrix.
Sorry, sir. Dito, sir, sa 86, sir.
Sige. Kramer's rule. Encounter na mo na Kramer's rule.
Wala pa po, sir.
Wala pa. Gaussian elimination, mga nga terms. Gaussian or Gauss-Jordan. Wala pa sad. Sige lang.
Wala, sir.
Maybe mag-review man kita karon, no? Pero these are matrix operations. Para mabala na to ang determinant. Okay? Sige lang. Don't worry, ako unang ikuan pod karon. So kaning straight lines mo ang mag-indicate nga determinant ang pangitaon. Technically di man ta mo adto gid og matrix proper, but ato lang man is how to solve for the determinant. So if it is an nth order ODE, for sure makaproduce ta og n by n matrix, meaning square matrix siya. Square matrix. So, y. Kung pila ni kabuok, mo nato ibutan dire, no? So, y sub 1, y sub 2. Ang gigamit sa notes kay z, z ang gigamit sa notes, okay lang na siya, di na mag-matter. So, y lang ako gigamit dire para klaro, no? So, y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 3, so on so forth, y sub n. Muna sila mga solution, mga individual solutions. Okay? Kay sama C1, Y1 plus C2, Y2 plus C3, Y3 plus so on so forth until Cn, Yn. So, daghan ni sila. Okay? So, kung pila ni sila kabuok, mo ito ibutang dire. Okay? Y sub 1, meaning kaning functions of x, ang ato ibutang dire ha, functions of x ni sila. So, y sub 1 of x, y sub 2 of x, so on so forth. Until y sub n. no? So this is called the first row, no? Row na siya sa atong matrix. Ang second row would be the derivative of each of these, no? So ato ni pang derive, meaning ang second row would comprise of the derivatives of each of these solutions, y prime, y sub 1 prime, y sub 2 prime, y sub 3 prime, so on and so forth, y sub n prime. No? Then kung pila pud ni kabuok, no, kung pila ni sa kabuok, ikaing ato minus 1 sila i-derive, no? So on so forth until ma-derive nato sila ika y ika n minus 1 times. So kung pila ni kabuok, pila ka terms, i-minus 1, i-derive na to ing ato kadaghan, no? So this is y sub 1 derived to the n minus 1 times, no? N minus 1. Y sub 2 to the n minus 1 prime. Y sub 3, n minus 1 prime. So on so forth. Y sub n, n minus 1 prime. No? So again, this may be intimidating, pero honestly, sa inyo ni siya. No? Ang notation lang ang confusing tanawon. So don't worry. So that's how we know if linearly independent ang solution sa atong differential equation. Okay. So focus on dire karon sa Ranskian, or at least sa determinants siguro. So review ta, no? Review ta una. Review. How to find the determinant. Of an n by n matrix. N by n matrix. So when we say matrix, it's just a set of number, no? Set of number arranged in rows and columns. Example, no? Okay. Okay, kani example. How should we solve these two equations simultaneously? Unsa nga mga operations inyong balaan pag solve ani? I could think of two very common ways to solve this one. Sa term yung gigamit sa taon na. I think sa high school mo siguro na no? Or sa senior high school. What methods? Sige, sa man.
Like term, sir?
Ha? Like term?
Like, ana, sir? Ambot di ko sure, sir.
Kuan, sige.
Elimination, sir, o substitution.
Okay, very good. No? So, pwede ta magamit ng elimination method or substitution method, right? To solve this one. Okay, that's correct. So those are the two methods to solve these sets or systems of linear equations. Actually, ikatulo, no? Graphical method. Pwede na ito ni-graph kung asa intersection point patong solution. Correct? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think na-remember to ninyo. Na ikaupat ka method, the calculator method. No? pa-solve natin sa calculator, ma-solve na niya diretso, no? That's the fourth method. Fifth method is i-convert na to into a matrix, no? That would look like this: 2, -5, 3, and 1. Have you encountered this method before? Matrix? Nga na. Okay lang wala, no? Onlag may katong naka-encounter na unsa ang pag-solve og matrix method sa systems of linear equation like this one. So this is what we call a matrix, no? I-convert ang mga pang-separate ang mga coefficients o variables. Yan. So the solution, x and y would be equal to, naman tayo tulo ka determinant makita na tulo ka determinant. We have the determinant of the coefficients and the determinant of x, the determinant of y. No? Whatever these determinants may be, later na lang na siya. Pero yan na pag-solve sa atong equation. No? Maybe tedious ni siya compared to elimination and substitution because it is. Pero this is a sure way because yan nagyapon pag-solve higher order. No? This is just a second order na matrix. So higher order, kami tag-determinant. No? So how to solve for the determinant of n by n matrix? So sugod tag sa yun, no? So for n is equal to 2, meaning it may correspond to 2 systems of linear equations, or it may correspond to 2 or second order linear ODE. No? So sa itsura sa itong matrix, gani. No? It's composed of coefficients, pure numbers, or constants, at set as A, B, C, and D. Okay. So in this case, the A, B, C, and D are 2, -5, 3, and 1. No? So muna ang atong mga constants or ang atong coefficients. So how to solve for the determinant? The determinant is equal to crisscross lang, okay? Crisscross method. Multiply si E kay D. Dapat kay A times D kita magsugod, ha? A times D minus C times B or B times C. So crisscross method lang siya. B times C. And that's it. Nakuha na to ang determinant. And the determinant is also the Wronskian if ang atong elements atong matrix kay functions. Okay. So example, kani. Example, this one. 2, -5, 3, and 1. So what's the determinant of 2, -5, 3, and 1? Sa mata-mata, pila man? Dali naman ni siya. Crisscross, okay? 2 times 1 minus 3 times -5.
-17, sir.
3 times -5, -17 ba ni? Yes, no? So 2 plus 15. Ano, dili. Negative, positive 17.
Ay, okay. Gikon mo din, sir. Negative.
So positive 17. So that's how we solve for the determinant. Okay? Yeah. Okay ra kung n is equal to 2. No? So, nakaayo. What if n is equal to 3? N is equal to 3. No? Actually, magamit ka po nato nga concept, pero mo saka lang tagamay og complexity. Because ang given 9 nakabuok. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So let's say mo na nga atong given nga constants or given nga coefficients. Na kinsa na diri naka-encounter og basket method. Ito i-transfer ni sa other side and basket dayon. Ni ato bitaw. Kinsa diri? Or weaving, sorry, weave method, basket method, I don't know sa term nga gagamit. Or kamutan na wala pa naka-encounter og basket method to solve for the determinant. Katong bitaw i-transfer gyapon ni diri sa pikas nga side, then i-cross lang tanan. Wala pa? Haha. Sige, okay ra. We could use that. We could use the basket method, or we could use a more general nga process anang basket method kasi simplified man to, and dili naman mag-work ang basket method sa higher order. Okay? So, lahi lang atong gamiton na din ito magamit ato. Ako lang gi-ask kay bisig kabulong-budaan. So, if given magbutang lang kung marag sort of pattern dire, no? Na atong sundon, atong magamit later. So, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So, kani sila tanan ang ilahang marag sort of, I'm not sure sa term magamitan na, pero marag mo na ilahang sign, no? Later, no? Ilahan ng sign. So, si A would be, or si A, si C, si E, si G, and I would all be positive. Whereas si B, D, F, and H are negatives. Okay. So, how do we solve for the determinant of a 3x3 matrix, or n is equal to 3? So, natay 6 separate choices. Natay 6 separate choices. Magikan ng 6. Naman tayo tulo ka rows o tulo ka column. Actually, mas asa na itong gamiton, no? We could use this row, A, B, C, or D, E, F, or G, H, I. Pwede gyapon column. Column A, D, G, column B, E, H, or column C, F, I. So, natin tulo ka, unom ka choices. So, for simplicity, ako lang sa apelyion si A, B, C. No, para sa yun. Or, si A, B, C lang sa. So, the determinant would be equal to A times the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. Then si B, again, times the determinant of another 2x2 matrix. And si C, times the determinant of another 2x2 matrix. And to solve for the determinant of these 2x2 matrix, balik ta sa atong method ganina. No? So, simple lang kayo. Now, unsay mga sign ani ni A, B, ug C? Kaning akong pattern ganina, no? So, plus, minus, plus for A, B, and C. So, si A would be positive, of course. Eka. Sangit. Sorry. A would be positive. B would be negative. And C would be positive. Okay? So, positive A times its determinant minus B times the determinant plus C times the determinant of 2x2 matrices. So, unsay sulod aning 2x2 matrix? Unsay partner ni A. No? So, atong i-cross out ang mga columns o rows na kung asa magikan si A. No? So, si A is first row, first column. So, i-cross out nato ni tanan. So, ang nabilin, technically, ang nabilin is si A ha, kato i-cross out kung asa si A, gikan nga row matrix, row og column. Kibali. So, ang nabilin is E, F, H, I. So, muna ang sulod aning 2x2 matrix. E, F, H, and I. Next, minus B. So, unsa ang 2x2 matrix ng partner ni B? Aman si B. So, muna iyang row, Muna yung column. So, nabilin. D, F, G, and I. Okay. So, minus B times D, determinants of D, F, G, and I. So, the same gapon kay C. So, si C, mo man iyang row, natong tabunan. Mo iyang column. So, D-E-G-H. D-E-G-H. C times D, E, G, H. And balik lang gyapon ta sa atong gibuhat ganina, the same sa 2x2 matrix nga determinant. No? So crisscross lang. No? So kung ato na ikuan, simplify, this becomes positive A times EI minus FH minus B, okay? Because negative man ang sign ni B, minus B, DI minus FG. Plus C, DH D times H minus EG. DH minus EG. And that's it. That's how to solve for the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. So finally, okay, let's try to solve one final example aning kuan. Para at least klaro. Ako example dire. Aha. Given matrix A, 2, negative 5, 3, 0, 7, negative 2, negative 1, 4, 1. Kana. So, atong first anaon is kung na 0. And indeed, na 0. So, natay duha ka choices nga tsada, no? Tsada gamiton. Either kani nga column atong gamiton or kani nga row. Si asa basta kay na si 0, no? Timing kayo kung duha ka book 0, no? Fights kayo. Pero in this case, isa lang ka book. So, pwede kani nga row, kani nga column or kanang row. So, let's just use this column daw. Kani 2, 0, and negative 1. So, the determinant of A, matrix A, is equal to, so ito atong pattern. So, ang sign ni 2 is positive. Of course, si 0 kay negative. Then, si 1 kay positive, negative 1. Negative gapon. No? So, kung man plus, minus 1. So, kung negative ni, the negative 1, siya positive. So, positive, negative 1 is still negative. So, 2 minus 0 plus negative 1. So, silang mga sulod. Si 2, sa iyahang partner. So, tabo ni, muna nabilin. 7, negative 2, 4, 1. Zero din. Ito tanawon kay magyapon, no? 0 magyapon eh. So, kung gusto na ito, butang yung value dire. Ito lang yung tabunan ko asa si 0 nga row o column. So, nabilin is negative 5, 3, 4, 1. Last is si negative 1. Nasa ganyan siya muna siya, no? So, pangatabunan, negative 5, 3, 7, negative 2. So, before natin i-solve, so far, klaro ba kung asan gikan nga mga numbers? Is there any question? Sir, asan nagikuha si kana, no? If wala, pwede ko mag-move on sa next na step. Okay la, so far?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope sa tanan to nga answer. So after ana, balik kaya punta sa itong gibuhat kanina sa 2 by 2. Crisscross lang. 7 minus 4 times negative 2. 7 times 1 minus 4 times negative 2. Next, minus 0. Hindi natin na-solve. 0 magyapon name, sinsaon. Minus 1 times negative 5 times negative 2 minus 7 times positive 3. So the final answer is 2 times 7 plus 8 is 15. So ba ko? Plus naman eh. Then minus 1. Then minus 21. 10 minus 21 is negative 11. So 30 plus 11, 41. So if I'm not mistaken, D is 41. Check na ko ah. Technically, pwede ba ito mag-calculator, no? Pang-check lang eh. Anyway, sa DE, dili naman numbers ang given sa kuan, no? Functions maginang ibutan nato diha. This is just to show on how to solve for the determinant. The determinant of matrix A. 41. So, correct na eh. So, is it clear? So, ang pag-solve sa determinant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope so. Sige. So, review man to sa algebra. Balik tag DE. Okay? Balik ta sa atong subject at hand. So, that's how we solve for the Wronskian. But instead of numbers or constants nga these are all functions. No? Again, but don't worry, sa inyo na siya. No? Sige. Let's solve some examples now. Okay. Given y is equal to C1 e to the power of x plus C2 e to the power of negative x. Maybe, solution ni siya sa isa ka second order differential equation. Nakaguess ko nga second order because, well, duha man kabuk na terms ni. So, most definitely, solution ni siya sa isa ka particular nga second order differential equation. Pangitaon. Find to answer the question, are they linearly independent? To answer that question, we need to solve for the Wronskian. Dapat, ang answer should not be equal to 0, no? For it to be linearly independent. Pero, dapat dili equal to 0. Solution. Wronskian. So, pila laman ni ka-terms? Duha ra ka buok. Okay? So, what is n? How much do you think is n? N is equal to? Is it obvious nga 2 ang atong n? Okay, duha ra man ka buok. Duha ra man atong diba, duha ra ka buok atong y of x's, no? Y sub 1 of x and y sub 2 of x lang. So our n is equal to 2. So if n is equal to 2, how many times shall we derive it to find the Wronskian? Kapila na to i-derive? Would like to guess.
Once, sir.
Once. Anong once man? Asa dapat nag-indicate sa atong notes nga once na to siya i-derive if n is equal to 2.
Okay, n minus 1 ata, sir.
Okay, sige. Thank you, Liza. So yes, kas ara, no? Okay, duha man na, because n is equal to 2, we only derive it once because n minus 1, no? Derive na to siya n minus 1 times. So if r given is e to the power of x, mo ni mga elements sa atong matrix, e to the power of x and e to the power of negative x. Para may mo siyang n by n matrix, meaning square matrix siya, kasara na to i-derive, no? Sige. So what's the derivative of e to the power of x? Still, e to the power of x agyapon. The derivative of e to the power of negative x, negative e to the power of negative x. Okay? Ang kuha ninyo asa nigikan ang second row. Ang first row, gikan sa given. Na. Ang second row is atong gi-derive ang first row. So to look for the derivative, the determinant, or in this case, the Wronskian. So kay 2 by 2 siya, crisscross lang. E to the power of x times negative e to the power of negative x minus e to the power of x times e to the power of negative x. So ano pag-simplify? This becomes negative e to the power of x minus x. Sakto? Minus e to the power of x minus x. This becomes negative 1. No? X minus x is 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So negative 1 minus e to the power of 0 is 1. So minus 1. So the Wronskian is negative 2. This is our final answer. conclusion, linearly independent. Okay, ang atong given. Question so far? Good. What another example para this one pag yun? Another one. So, given taog solution y is equal to c1 times sine 3x plus c2 times cos 3x. So, ako na siyang gibutang sa iyaning notation, meaning isubject na ito niyang duha ka possibly linearly independent functions o Wronskian. So, makita ko ng Wronskian ani nga given. So, again, tungod kay duha siya given, 2 by 2 matrix atong gamiton. No? So, sine px, cosine 3x. What's the first derivative of sine 3x? 3 cos 3x. No? Ang isa, negative 3 sine 3x. Correct so far? Akong pag-derive?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Crisscross. Sine 3x times negative 3 sine 3x. Negative 3 sine squared 3x. Minus 3 cos 3x times cos 3x minus 3 cosine squared 3x. Simplify. Yes. Factor out negative 3. This becomes sine squared 3x plus cos squared 3x. The Wronskian is equal to negative 3 because this is equal to 1. Right? Meaning, both of these are wherever pa man ni sila nga solution sa ilahang gigikanan nga differential equation, either both of these collectively as sum or individually they are solutions of that differential equation because they are linearly independent. Another example. Okay, so may itong given, 1 minus x, 1 plus x, 1 minus 3x. So the solution, B, kung kay tulos lang ka buok, we will need a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay? One minus x, 1 plus x, 1 minus 3x. First derivative. So, third order ni, most definitely, gikan na sa isa ka third order nga DE. So, if n is 3, i-derive na to n minus 1 times. So, twice, no? 2. Kadua na to i-derive yung first derivative of second derivative. So, what's the first derivative of this one? It's negative 1.
Negative 1.
Okay, thank you. Negative 1. Kani, positive 1. Then negative 3. How about the third row? It's obviously some composition sa atong third row. Derivative ani nilang tulo?
0, sir.
Okay, very good, 0. Aha. May 0, no? So, masiasa na ba sa unom, di ba? Unom ka choices atong gamiton. Now, if kani atong pilion ang third row, we would end up with an answer which is equal to 0. So, no need to solve. Maski ato i-solve, no? Mugos ginag 0. Maski pa, if atong gipili is kani. Kana siya. Ano man, sa iyahang 2 by 2 matrix na i-2 ka 0. Kani siya, nagapoy 2 ka 0. Even if kani, i-2 ka 0. So, wherever pa atong pilion ani nga mga elements, it would end up with the Wronskian being 0. So, atong conclusion is, these three are linearly dependent. Meaning, kung asa man asla nato gikuha nga solution, they are only a solution collectively. Dili sila pwede individually solution, unlike sa atong mga previous examples. Sige, in your own seats daw, try to solve this one. Solve for the Wronskian. Okay, for the next 5 minutes, I'll call anyone at random later to see if nag-solve ba mo. Sige, kung gusto ko na i-answer, butang nyo sa chat ang Ronskian ani nga given. Gamay na lang lagi ta.
Sir,
Mm.
ang answer dapat ana kay kanang number lang gid dapat ana, sir.
Dili necessary.
Ay, okay, sige, sir.
Pila man. Two x squared. May 2x squared na 2x cubed. Aman ani ang correct kaha. Duha ka buok 2x cubed. Tulo na ka buok 2x cubed. Sige be, akong i-try. Derivative is 1, 2x, 3x squared, 0, 2, 6x. No? Ako masayop. 0. So that's good. Hindi akong pilion. Kani. So, plus, minus, plus. X. Kani. 2x, 3x squared. 2, and 6x. Minus 1. May lang 0 ni. 1. X squared, x cubed, 2, and 6x.
Ay, sir, dili day X, sir.
X ni.
Ay, tay, sir.
Kani akong gipili. Kaning first column. Kung first row, okay magyapon. Pero akong yung gipili kay namangoy 0 dire. So better kani or kato. Ang
Kung
saman.
ako, sir, kaning 01X, okay ra na, sir, or dapat X10 gid dapat.
Okay naman 01x. 01x. Okay na siya kay. Basta correct lang iyahang mga signs. Meaning, ang sign ni x is positive. Ang sign ni 1 is negative. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
And then, iyahang partner nga mga 2 by 2. Partner ni x is kani. Partner ni 1 is kani x squared, x cubed, 2, and 6x. 2 and 6x. So I think that's correct so far. Sa man eh. 12x squared minus 6x squared. Okay. 2x cubed, no? Sige, ako lang i-prove yun. So, ano eh. Six x squared minus 2x cubed. Ito niya ako nagbuhat. Cube ni siya. 6x cubed, 2x cubed. Six x cubed minus 4 x cubed. So, the Wronskian is it's not a non-zero value even though na siya a coefficient. ano na siya variable. So 2x cube. Okay na siya. As long as it's 0. First answer tanan? No? I think so.
Wrong ko, sir.
Ano naman? Hama ka na sa'yo.
Kay kuan dapat dyan katong x10. So 01x ako sir nabali.
01x. Basig nabali po nimo imong mga 2x2.
Oh, ana jud sir nga bali-bali gid sir.
Okay naman tog 01x, pero ang partner ni 0 is kani gapon. Or si 1, kani di ba? Para makita ang partner ni 1, tabunan
Kay
naman.
gi-follow pa na ko to yung sir nga pag na 0 kay unahon.
Unahog pangita na si 0.
Oh, sir.
So, kung giuna na ko si 0, di siya mo gyapon. Basta kay kuan lang ihang mga partner, no? Correct lang. Kung 0, example no, 01x akong gigamit. Example lang. 01x. Si 0, di na ako isulat si 0 kay mo magyapon. -1 para la kani. So I don't think ang wrong is ang pag-una kay 01x, but siguro lang yung muna butang sila nga partner. Partner nga 2x2 matrix.
Okay, sige sir.
So if 0, 2, and 6x atong gipili, no? Okay. For example, 0, 2, and 6x. Example lang ha. So plus minus plus mangyapon ni 0 minus 2 the partner ni 2.
XX cube, sir.
X cube
1
1
of x squared.
2x squared. Ayan na. X cube 1 x squared plus 6x. So kana meaning x squared 1 2x. Okay? Yan lang. So pwede lagyan kaya mo gawas gyapon nga aning answer kay 2x cube lagyan. Pwede na niyo na i-check. Alright. So far wala pa tayong nagkuhan ha. Ang atong mga given, for example kani, given ang mga solution sa dili given nga differential equation. So wala pa ta nag-solve technically og DE. Wala pa ta nag-introduce og solution to the differential equation. Ato lang gi-introduce this afternoon on how to perform the Wronskian. That is performing a determinant sa isa ka square matrix. So next meeting, padayon ta ani. Padayon ta sa linear second order linear differential equation with constant coefficients.